So I first started investing, it was about 2 years ago. I felt excited, but then I also felt very nervous and fearful. I guess I was worried about not wanting to lose my money, which is something that went through my mind. But also, I think I wanted to get heaps. So I was told about this way of investing where instead of worrying about the price of an investment and getting kind of hung up on that, you just pick an amount you want to invest and then the things you want to invest in. And the most important thing is that you stick to it. You just commit to that regularly. And what it means is that because you can't pick the price of investments and you can't tell what they're going to do, sometimes it means you buy it when it's a low price. Then the next time you go to buy it, it might be high. And then the next time you might go to buy, it's low again. But overall, you've kind of averaged out, and it means that you're not kind of caught on whether buying all your investments when it's high, buying it all when it's low, which would be cool, but really hard to plan and do. But it means overall you get the benefits without having to have the stress of wondering whether you're getting it right or doing heaps and heaps of analysis every time you want to invest. Turns out it has a name, and it's called dollar cost averaging, and it makes complete sense once you think about it because the price that you're paying is averaging out. Did I say dollar cost averaging?
You did, you sure did.